The UNSW Health Service is a comprehensive health service that's available to all students and staff at the university. Healthcare systems around the world vary greatly from country to country, so here's a brief overview of how the Australian health system works. If you're feeling unwell or have a minor injury, your first point of contact is a general practitioner, or a GP, who works at a health service or doctor's surgery. Australian GPs have extensive training and experience in treating many different types of illnesses and injuries, which may be treated by specialists or emergency wards in other countries. If the GP can't provide the treatment you need, they'll refer you on to a specialist. Specialist appointments can only be made with a referral letter written by a GP. It's important to remember though, if you're experiencing a life-threatening medical emergency, you should call 000 or go to the nearest hospital emergency department. At the UNSW Health Service, we have a team of highly experienced GPs who can provide a range of medical services. We can treat everything from general health issues and sports injuries to heart problems. We can also conduct men's and women's health checks and provide vaccinations for health and travel. Making an appointment with us is easy. You can book a time via our online booking system through the UNSW Health Service website or through the Appoint You It app, which you can download on your phone. You can also come in and speak to our staff in person. All appointments with us are completely confidential, and the health service does not link or share your personal records with the university. For domestic students who hold a Medicare card or international students with a Medibank OSHC card or AHM card, there is no cost to see a GP. A small fee may be charged for some vaccinations and dressings if needed. If you are an international student with other health insurance funds, you may need to pay upfront and be reimbursed later by your health insurer. On the day of your appointment, you can find us on the ground floor of the Quadrangle at the Kensington campus. Please check in with reception and present your UNSW ID card and a Medicare or health insurance card.
As an international student, the GP-centered model of care here in Australia might be something that we're not used to back in our home countries. But what I really like about the UNSW Health Service here is that the doctors are really actively involved in our personal health and well-being, and even going the extra mile to call us after hours to check in on how we're doing.
It's great to be able to see the doctor instead of going straight to the hospital. And I was so relieved that I found out everything is covered by overseas student healthcare insurance.
The UNSW Health Service prides itself on patient confidentiality, and that means that students like ourselves can feel comfortable speaking freely with the doctors and staff there on any physical or mental health issues that we might have.
The health service is really convenient because it's located on campus, and I can see the doctor straight away without needing a referral.
They really just want to help you out and make sure that you're well looked after.
So remember, if you have any concerns about your health or well-being, come in and see our friendly staff.